In this tutorial, you will learn how to create the blur in and out text effect. After setting up your text, go to the Effect Controls panel and type Directional in the search box. Under the blur and sharpen, double-click on the directional blur to add it to the text layer. Move the playhead in the beginning and add a keyframe for the blur length. Change the value from 0 to 25 and move the playhead 6 frames forward. Add a keyframe and change the value back to 0. To animate each letter individually, I will create 6 copies of the word blurry, 1 for each letter. Now select the first copy and go to Opacity tab and select the pen tool to create a mask around the first letter. You can zoom in on the output screen for ease. Mask out each letter like this. Now select the second text layer and mask out the second letter. Do the same for the rest of the letters. To achieve the same look as you saw in the intro, move the playhead to the beginning and move it 4 frames forward. Then move the second text layer where the playhead is. Again, move 4 frames forward and move the third text layer to where the playhead is. Do this for all other text layers. Now let's see how it looks. Perfect! You can increase or decrease the speed of the effect by increasing or decreasing the number of frames between the 2 letters. Here I'm adding 5 more frames in between. To blur out the letters, simply add 2 keyframes at the end. Select the text layer, click on the Effect Control window and press End button to go to the end. Add a keyframe and change the value to 25. Go back 5 frames by pressing Shift and left arrow key, and add another keyframe and change the value to 0. Now copy these 2 keyframes and paste at the end of other text layers. And that is it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.